Hello everybody, this is Evan Rogers coming at you with another exciting EvansEasyJapanese.com video. We're doing the JLPT N5 listening test. There was a test posted online and I have links to all the downloads in the description below. We're trying to do a video a day to keep things fresh rolling and get some excitement. Hopefully you can like this video and share it with all your friends, etc., etc. And donations, etc., all the information in the video description. Please consider making a description. A donation is the word I'm looking at. Today, we're doing the listening, but the problem is that I should probably close this. But the problem is that we have a giant brick of instructions, and they just expect you to understand what they mean. So I figure that before we do this, Ray, the Star Wars girl is freaking out. We should at least get the we should at least learn the instructions on how to do the Ray. Come on, guys, we need the and ladies, we need the instructions on how to do Ray. Oh, that's terrible. Sorry, Star Wars girl. But you've become a joke. Ray means example, mondai ni. Apparently the listening test type has changed, and so we have new instructions. Let's go ahead and listen to this crazy lady give us those instructions. I'm about to cough. Excuse me, I had to cough there. You probably saw it. And we'll listen to this, and then we'll go over what she's saying and how the grammar works. Notice they didn't bother writing any kanji because they want to make sure you can at least read it. So here we go.
問題2。問題2では、はじめに質問を聞いてください。それから話を聞いて、問題用紙の1から4の中から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。
There we go.
では、
So, here are the instructions that we need to abide by when doing all of this. 問題2では、はじめに質問を聞いてください. Let's start at the end. ください is to please do something. To please give is what it means by itself. It is the stem form of the special polite verb くださいます, くださる. And when you attach this to a te form of a verb, this is 聞いて, which is 聞きます or 聞く. The te form, it's a group 1 verb. When you do a te form verb plus kudasai, it means please do. Please do the verb, so please listen. Kikimasu generally means to listen. Shitsumon o kiite kudasai. So listen, this is the object that we will listen upon. This is the object that the listening will take place. And it is shitsumon. Shitsumon is a question, and the question is the thing that we will be listening. So notice how in English we have to use listen to something, whereas in Japanese we just question listen. Yesterday I listened to question. We say listened to a question. Hajime, in the beginning, first, I should say, that means first. It's kind of just a special usage of hajime, which is the beginning of hajimeru. Hajime ni, in the beginning, shitsumon o kiite kudasai. Please listen to the question first off. Mondai ni de wa, as for with mondai to, mondai ni. This de kind of means with in a weird way. I am coughing a lot. That's why I have a Hershey's Kiss in my mouth. Apologies. Okay, so mondai ni de wa hajime ni shitsumon o kiite kudasai. We pretty much went over everything. The de here is kind of an odd usage of the word of the particle de. But dewa is kind of like as with, or with that. It's just like a special usage of it. With mondai ni, at first listen to the questions. Sore kara, and then hanashi o kiite, listen to the speech, the conversation. My baby's crying. I'll get him after this. Hanashi o kiite. So listen to the speech, the discussion. And then notice how we have the te particle again, but there's no kudasai. The te particle by itself, when we have a clause in the ending in the te form going into another clause, another clause is just the rest of the sentence. Okay. When that happens, it's a sequential thing. I woke up in the morning, I ate breakfast, I brushed my teeth, I took a shower, and I went to school. Te, mas. Or whatever the end of the verb might be. It seems like my throat's feeling better, so I'm not coughing nearly as much. I don't know. I guess Hershey's Kisses did its job finally. So, それから after that, 話を聞いて. So, after that, listen to the speech, the conversation. And then, 問題用紙. This is your, 問題 means problem. The yoshi is like your scrap paper. So, this is your paper, with all the bubbles on it that you're going to color in. Scantron, is that what they call them still? 問題用紙の1から4の中から Okay, so 1から is from number 1. 4の中から So 1から4, this is kind of like one noun phrase. And then we also attach this 1から4 to naka with a no particle. So from 1 to 4's within the middle of them. From... you have to really shoot over here to... Look at that, you have to go past the comma to highlight the ra. Okay, so nakakara, from the inside of 1 through 4. That's actually, this is all just being further modified by mondayoshi. Look at this gigantic noun phrase we have. Mondayoshi no 1から 4の中, and then the kara. Okay, so the scantrons number 1 through 4, from them, from within the 1 through 4, from out of 1 through 4. Kara, from those. Notice there's no des here. There's no da, there's no des, there's no verb, there's no e adjective. This is a noun going directly into kara. This is a special usage of kara to say from these things, out of these things. Ichiban I, the number 1 good. Mono o. Mono just means like thing. Ichiban means number 1 best, a superlative. I, the best. So I means good, nice, fine. Ichiban means number 1. So number 1 good mono. I is an E adjective. E adjectives can go directly into nouns. So the best thing. O hitotsu erande kudasai. Once again, hopefully you see that we have a te form verb. Erande is the te form of erabu, going into kudasai. So please pick. Erabu, erabimasu is to pick. Erande. Please pick one. Hitotsu. This means like one thing. Not like the number 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one thing. Japanese separates counting and looking at things and then counting how many there are. So hitotsu means one thing. Erande kudasai. Please pick one of the things. Please pick one of the... This is literally, please pick one of the things. And of those things, we don't just want any of the things. We want ichiban ii mono. So we want the number 1 thing. Pick one. Pick the one. Since Japanese doesn't use like words like the or we can insert it into our translation. Please pick the one that is the best. Nakakara. So, mondayoshi no 1から4の中から. So, from number 1 to number 4, please pick the best answer, the best thing. And we're doing that having listened to the conversation. Notice how we can take this te form and translate it as, please do this and then. So, please do this and then do this. Or we could translate it as, do this, do all of this, having already done this. Do you see how that works? I woke up, ate breakfast, brushed my teeth, took a shower, and went to school. We could say, I went to school having taken a shower, or I went to school having taken a shower, and I took a shower having brushed my teeth. I brushed my teeth having already eaten breakfast, and I ate breakfast having already woken up. So as you can see, we can do that in English, and that will shed some insight into how the te form operates and how te plus another verb gets translated strangely in the future. We're not quite at that grammar level yet, but you might remember me saying that te imas is usually translated as currently doing. In other situations, te imas can mean I'm here having done something, or somebody is here having done something. Looks like we got done reading the instructions on doing Ray. Oh, that's horribly inappropriate. I should make a mug with like Ray going, oh no, and then have that sentence above it. Anyway, hopefully the instructions, you now know how to actually do the test. I mean, it should have been pretty obvious anyway if you're at all familiar with Scantron. But anyway, hope this was helpful. Maybe you learned some new grammar. If you did, share it with your friends. Give it a thumbs up. Consider a donation. $1 is more than enough, or a few satoshis of Bitcoin. Links in the description. Again, the link to all of these downloads are in the description. Oh, since this is like a narrator and everybody's mad about my accent, here we go. I'm gonna give you guys the super Japanese accent. 問題2では、はじめに質問を聞いてください。それから話を聞いて、問題用紙の1から4の中から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。Alright, hopefully that was fun. My accent is a little bit off, but then again, I'm a 35-year-old white guy. Have yourselves a holly jolly day. Do something fun. Spread the word. Peace out. It just dawned on me that we should actually listen to it one more time. So I already said peace out, but I didn't mean it this time. So listen one last time and then it'll be peace out.
問題2。問題2では、はじめに質問を聞いてください。それから話を聞いて、問題用紙の1から4の中から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。
There we go. Hey guys, peace out. Have a good day.